Protein is a macronutrient composed of amino acids. These amino acids function as structural and functional units across the entire organism. They build tissues, regulate biochemical reactions, and maintain cellular integrity. There are 20 amino acids. 9 are essential, meaning the body cannot synthesize them, and they must be obtained through diet. Proteins are classified as complete or incomplete based on whether they contain all essential amino acids in sufficient proportions. Animal-based sources are typically complete. Most plant-based sources are incomplete, but can be combined to achieve a full amino acid profile. Protein drives core biological processes. It forms muscle fibers, enzymes, hormones, and transport molecules. Hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood, is protein-based. Antibodies that defend against pathogens are proteins. Enzymes that control metabolic reactions are proteins. Deficiency disrupts these systems. Muscle mass declines. Recovery slows. Immune response weakens. Hair and skin quality deteriorate. Hormonal balance shifts. Severe deficiency leads to systemic failure as the body begins breaking down its own tissues to access amino acids. Protein intake must be consistent. The body does not store excess protein in a dedicated reserve. It relies on regular supply to maintain equilibrium between breakdown and synthesis. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most efficient protein sources. They contain all essential amino acids in optimal ratios, making them a complete protein. The biological value is high, meaning the body can utilize a large percentage of the protein consumed. Eggs also provide choline, which supports brain function and cell membrane structure. The yolk contains vitamins A, D, E, and B12. These contribute to immune health, bone maintenance, and energy metabolism. Protein from eggs supports muscle repair and growth. It also increases satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. This stabilizes body composition over time. Preparation method does not significantly reduce protein quality, but excessive heat can degrade some micronutrients. Lentils. Lentils are a low-cost, plant-based protein source. They contain substantial protein for serving along with fiber and complex carbohydrates. While lentils are not a complete protein, they are rich in lysine, an essential amino acid often limited in grains. When combined with rice or other grains, they form a complete amino acid profile. Fiber content improves gut health and stabilizes blood glucose levels. This reduces insulin spikes and supports metabolic stability. Lentils also provide iron, which supports oxygen transport in the blood. This is critical for energy production and physical performance. Chicken. Chicken is a widely accessible animal protein source. It delivers complete protein with a high concentration of essential amino acids. It supports muscle maintenance, particularly in aging populations where muscle loss accelerates. Adequate intake reduces the rate of sarcopenia. Chicken is also a source of B vitamins, particularly niacin and B6. These are involved in energy metabolism and nervous system function. Lean cuts reduce excess fat intake while maintaining protein density. This makes chicken suitable for both muscle development and weight control. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese contains casein protein, which digests slowly. This provides a sustained release of amino acids over time. Slow digestion supports muscle preservation during periods without food, such as overnight. It reduces protein breakdown and maintains nitrogen balance in the body. It also supplies calcium, which is essential for bone health and muscle contraction. Low-fat variants maintain high protein content while reducing calorie intake. This makes cottage cheese efficient for maintaining lean body mass. Beans. Beans provide protein along with fiber and micronutrients. Like lentils, they are incomplete proteins but can be combined with grains to form complete profiles. They contain resistant starch, which improves gut microbiome composition and enhances insulin sensitivity. Regular consumption supports cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels. This occurs through soluble fiber binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract. Beans also provide magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is calorie-dense, but provides a moderate amount of protein. It also contains healthy fats that support hormone production and cellular structure. While not a complete protein, it contributes to total daily intake and pairs well with other protein sources. It provides vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative damage. Portion control is necessary due to high caloric density, but its accessibility and shelf stability make it a consistent source. Protein is not optional. It underpins structural integrity, metabolic regulation, and immune defense. Deficiency leads to progressive system degradation. Affordable sources exist across both animal and plant categories. Eggs, lentils, chicken, cottage cheese, beans, and peanut butter provide sufficient coverage when consumed consistently and in proper combinations. The effect is cumulative. Regular intake maintains muscle, supports recovery, stabilizes metabolism, and preserves long-term physiological function. Your body, your choice.